ladies and gentlemen, for Taganghalan Season 5 from Prime Family, please welcome Miss Kylie.
Isilang ka sa mundong ito, laking tuwa ng magulang mo, na ang kamay nila ang iyong ilaw. At ang nanay at tatay mo'y di malaman ang kakawin, minamasdan pati pagtulog mo. At sa gabi napupuyat ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. At sa umaga na may kalong ka ng iyong amang tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Ngayon ay malaki ka na at nais mo'y maging malaya, di man silang payag, walang magagawa. Ikaw ay biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo, at ang payo nila'y sinuway mo. Di mo man lang inisip na ang kanilang ginagawa'y para sa'yo. Pagkat ang nais mo'y masunod ang layaw mo, di mo sila pinapansin. Nagdaan pa ang mga araw at ang landas mo'y naligaw, ikaw ay nalulong sa masamang bisyo. Pag-una mong nilapitan ang iyong inang lumuluha, at ang tanong anak, ba't ka nagkaganyan? At ang iyong mga mata biglang lumuha nang di mo napapansin. Pagsisisihan sa isip mo, nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali. Pagsisisihan sa isip mo, nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali. Pagsisisihan sa isip mo, nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali.
Thank
you so much.
Grabe. Alan, here in Bigo Live Philippines from Daniel's family, please welcome Bobs. Go!
Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. I held her close to me, 'cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her, but I knew no matter how I tried to console her, She just do the best she could. But there are times the best is no damn good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's a easy way to break somebody's heart. I lied and told her she'd be fine. We both knew it was just alright. I had to do it. Could have said anything to help me get through it. Then she reached for my hand. The simple touch was more than I could stand. And I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's a easy way to break somebody's heart. She couldn't gotten angry and make me feel like a guilty child. But I realized it never was her style. I wanted her to hurt me, now to treat me like a friend. I wanted her to say to me someday, I'm crawling on my knees to ask her back again. But she acts like a lady till the end. Oh, a lady. I told her she'd break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood in her way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Salamat po.
Yun, maraming salamat, Kuya. Ayan. Luna. Game.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I It was over my head. I know nothing at all. And I was tumbling far. I'm still learning to love, just starting to grow. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up, I'm giving up, I'm giving up, I'm giving up, I'm giving up on you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'll be the one if you want me to. Thank you po.
Ayan. Thank you. At